So let's go ahead and do a sound test here. So I have a decibel meter. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Get an idea of the outside ambient noise level. Right now there's not that much traffic, but earlier there was a whole bunch of traffic making a bunch of noise. But you can see as I talk, it goes up and down. Okay, so now let's go in the vehicle and see what it does. Okay, so now the door is open, and I'm going to set this down right over here. So we have the door open. Alright, so I'm going to turn the climate control off. So let's go ahead and get it off and make sure that, see if that makes a difference here. Now let's go ahead and turn the engine off. And start the engine. I'm going to roll the windows down. So you can see there is a pretty significant difference between the outside noise and the inside noise. Now we are next to a highway or type V road where there's a lot of traffic, but you can see that it does a pretty good job of isolating the noise inside the vehicle.